Hi, my name is Tommy and I'm building my dream sauna, and today we're putting down the flooring in the sauna. You can see I have come a little bit further, but I will have to edit and show a little bit more. But today is the floor. And for the floor I chose to just put down these thick spruce planks. They're about 38 millimeters thick, and I won't be putting any insulation underneath it. I will just use the planks. I think this will be enough for the sauna, as the space itself won't be heated or needs to be heated in any way. So it's just to make a solid floor. These are pretty thick so they don't bend anything. So it makes a really sturdy floor. And I noticed when I was putting them down that there's a good side and a bad side of these. You can hardly see it, but one side is about millimeter thicker than the other side. It's even hard to show on video. You have to use a caliper or something to see. But when you looked at the plank itself, you could see one side is a lot smoother than the other. And if you're trying to put them together and you don't have the matching sides, then they won't look correct. There will be a small gap here, and you will instantly know that that's not the correct way to put them down. So if you're building something like this, just double check that you're using the correct sides of the planks, like this. And when you're screwing them, when you're attaching them, I'm using these little flooring screws, or they're specially made for this kind of floor. It has a really tiny end, so when you're putting it into the board itself, you just angle it 45 degrees in this seam here. So when you screw it in, it will go all the way down, hide itself in the seam, and also pull the board tighter towards the other one. So you start with this end at the far end of the sauna, screw it in, it will tighten it up against the floor or the wall, and put in the next one, hammer it in, and put the next screw in, and so on. Then you will get a floor with no screw holes.